We started by drawing out rods at a 1:2 scale. This is very helpful as you get a picture of what it will look like and can extract any angles or measurements from it that you need. From this, we can work out what materials we need and create a cutting list. We then go out to the mill to find some suitable timber. We cut it oversized on the straight line edger, then plane it down to its finished dimensions on the 4-planer. We check our sizes are correct, then start cutting and fitting our cappings to the panels. We started with this as they needed to be done before they could be veneered and then mortised. We roughly cut the 45-degree angles to size on a chop saw, then skimmed them back until they fit perfectly. Once all the right size, we glued them to the NDF panel using masking tape to hold them in place. After they are glued, we use the radio frequency machine to dry the glue quickly and prevent the cappings from shifting. We then repeat this process on the larger panels. We still leave them to dry just to ensure that they don't move at all. We can then start to flatten them off using a lipping trimmer for the larger one and a block plane for the smaller. We finish them in the Homax sander to ensure they are both the correct thickness. We cut our large pieces of veneer to size using the guillotine, then press our bottom panels and sand them. We then move on to the top panel, which has a more intricate design that we are hand cutting. We can then press and sand this one too. We work out where the mortises need to go and can do the smaller ones on the bench mortiser. I cut my tenons using the angles and depth stop of the chop saw. We hand mortised the top panel as it was too large and started fettling in the tenons to fit perfectly. I then levelled some blocks and fit mine dry to make sure my table was level. It was, but there were a couple of gaps, so the shoulders had to be brought back slightly. Now fits well, so I set up the router to start putting the final details on my components. I put a large chamfer around the bottom of our top panels, then a smaller chamfer on either side of the bottom panels. I then do a chamfer on my legs, starting 50mm from the top and the bottom with a 1/4 inch trimmer. I then start sanding all of my components ready for gluing. glue them all together, then find a method of holding them that works. We put a heavy block on the top for pressure, and then quick grips on either side to stop it from twisting. We gave them a final sand and finished them using Osmo oil off camera, doing 2 coats.